everybody. Welcome to a new video for the Homeschool Resources series. I'm going to be sharing a few kits that I use for science class. First here we've got the light kit from Science Whiz. I have a video where we open up this kit and we do a couple of the experiments in it. If you want to check that out, I will leave a link in the description for that. And we have the Discover the Human Body kit and Discover Earthquakes and Science. I have a robot kit, but the kids have that open somewhere because they were doing the robot one lately. I might be able to share a video or a picture here of what the kit looks like. Now these kits are by Omega. No, sorry. They're by North Parade Publishing. Let me see here if I can show you the back of one. This is the information. I found these at the local superstore here, but you can find them online too, and I'm pretty sure they're on Amazon. I'll have to double check that. If they are, I will leave a photo right here showing them on Amazon and how much they are. So these kits, I believe I have videos of all of them on my YouTube channel, maybe just these two. I'll leave a link in the description for that. Now, these kits all come with a model for the kids to build and a sticker book, an activity book, and a wall chart to put up on the wall. I will show you a couple of the charts here that come with these kits. This kit doesn't come with a wall chart, but it does have a book attached to it and everything you need to do the experiments with, besides a few household items like crayons, stuff like that that you might need. For this one, I needed a battery, cups, and I think that was it. But you can find out more about this kit and these kits in the videos that I made. They're very fun for the kids. They love doing them. Every time I bring home a brand new kit, they light up because they find them so fun and they're so excited to do them and to read the books and learn about whatever the kit is all about. The kids have learned all about the Ring of Fire through the Volcano set. They've learned all about robots through the science set. Oh, the one that they got open right now, it's the space. It's the space kit that they're doing right now, which I'll show you a picture of. And they learned all about light through this light kit, and there was lots of cool things to do in it. So yeah, I bought this one off of Amazon, and I bought these three from Superstore. You can find kits on Amazon, at your local grocery stores, at Walmart, and there's a few kits on special websites. Like I am getting a kit right now to do a butterfly experiment with them. We're going to buy caterpillars and we're going to buy a habitat for them and we're going to watch them evolve into butterflies. So that's going to be fun and something I plan on sharing in the future. Look for that video to come out in the future, probably around springtime. I will be sharing the process of that. So I hope this helps give you some science ideas for the kids. There's lots to find out there, lots to do that gets them involved in science and excited about science. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that you are notified for future videos.